How to get Spotify Premium with Apple Gift Card. Hello everybody, welcome back into this channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you on how you can get Spotify Premium or purchase Spotify Premium using the Apple Gift Card. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to get Spotify Premium with Apple Gift Card, all you got to do is simply go ahead and open up your Apple Store first on. Once you do so, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner, and here you should find the option redeem gift card or code. So you want to tap on redeem gift card or code, and now you can either scan the card, your gift card, tap on use camera and scan the card, or you can tap on enter code manually and enter in the code and tap on redeem and redeem it. Once you have redeemed your gift card, right, what you want to do is head into your Spotify or head into Spotify browser or your Spotify app and open up the account and tap on get premium. Now here you can view all plans, or you can simply get premium individual. You can choose the premium that you would like to make, and now here you want to choose Apple Pay as your payment method and go ahead and make the purchase. So this is how you can use or get Spotify Premium with Apple Gift Card. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.